Hey friends, do you want to boost up your maths? But keep in mind, its answer is not 1 right. Today we have this maths operation in which 12 divided 9 over 9 divided 12. Solution of this operation is as follow. We will rewrite this operation as 12 divided 9 and this whole division and 9 divided 12. Now again rewrite both brackets as 12 over 9 whole divided by 9 over 12. Now we'll apply KCF rule, where we keep the first fraction as it is, change the sign from division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Easy, right? Okay, here in both fractions, numerator and denominators are cutting with each other with table of 3. 9 divided 3 will be 3, and 12 divided 3 will be 4. Same applies on other fraction. So we left with 4 over 3 times 4 over 3. Now both fractions are multiplying. Here 4 times 4 equals 16. Over 3 times 3 equals 9. So we left with 16 over 9. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Here 16 will be bisect into 9 plus 7 over 9. Now 9 divided 9 gives us 1. So our final answer to this problem is 1 and 7 over 9. Done. Easy, right? Friends, follow for more informative videos and stay connected. Thanks for your valuable time.